Hi, I'm Charlie and I head up the quality team here at Lucky Saint. In this video, we'll be talking through the principles of line cleaning. It's important that you clean your beer lines regularly. We recommend every 7 days. If not cleaned regularly, wild yeast and bacteria contamination will result in fobbing beer. It will also impact the quality of the beer, affecting the flavour and aroma. Before you start your clean, it's important that you have the correct PPE. As a minimum, we recommend safety goggles or glasses and gloves. We're not going to go through a whole clean today, but we will outline the process. Flush the beer from the lines using fresh water, then following the manufacturer's instructions, dilute the cleaning solution and pull this through the lines. Allow the cleaning solution to soak in the lines for 30 minutes, putting through 1 pint per tap every 10 minutes. Once you have completed this cycle, pull 10 litres of fresh water through each tap to ensure you have removed all cleaning solution. Alternatively, use litmus papers to check the solution is no longer in the lines. If the water does not run clear or there is still visible build-up in the fob or lines, repeat the process. Whilst cleaning your lines, you should also take time to clean and sanitise your nozzles and keg couplers, as these are hotspots for dirt and bacteria build-up in the dispense system. For more information, or if you have any questions, please scan the QR code on our keg collar.